Hi, my name is Andrew, a producer, director, and educator. Let me quickly ask you a question. What would you do to have the chance to work with one of the world's best filming director, Venkat Prabhu? What would you do? And I'm asking you this because a student recently came up to me and asked me, "Hey, Andrew, how do I become a good filmmaker?" And that got me thinking. The best thing you can do is to really go work for a world-class director. And then he replied me, which world-class director would take me in? And that's really true because most directors are so busy making great films, they would have no time to educate you. But let me tell you about The Forge. The Forge is a bootcamp that is created by the man himself, Venkat Prabhu, and a team of world-class directors. The aim is to make you a filmmaker. And you get to work and learn directly from all these famous directors. And to make things even more exciting, you get 6 mentors. You got Rahul, Prasanji, Ranjini, Bhavitravanan, Indra Kumar, and Edwin Paul coming together, guiding you. So hurry, take this opportunity to join the Forge, and I look forward to meet you in this bootcamp because I'll be one of the filming judges that'll be judging your works in this bootcamp.